Hello, everyone. Welcome you all in the live session. So, in today's live session, we are going to work on a story, and this story will be a jungle-based story. So, those are very new of Python, and they know they have an idea about the pictoblocks. They can definitely make something very interesting with text-based coding in pictoblocks. That's really interesting, yeah. So that's what we are going to do in today's session. Today, we are going to make a very interesting, exciting story. And today, I will tell you how you can take different sprites also from the link. Actually, I have one link. I can give this link to you all. Um in the live session chat also so that you can find this website. Basically, the website name is FreePick. This is a website where you can find your own characters. I know that everyone is getting bored by using the characters, but if we found our character to the other websites or from the Google, we can find only one character, right? We cannot have different images for the particular character. It means we cannot find a sequence sprites. So this is actually the website where you can find the sequence. First, I will tell you that what we are going to make today. So I'm going to share my screen, will let you know what story we are going to work today. So this is basically a story, and as you all know from the template that this is a jungle story. So I have a jungle, I have the sprite, and once the story will be ready, see it's ready. So this bird is coming and saying, "Help, help! One gorilla came to our jungle. He will kill all the animals." The line will come and he say, "Where is gorilla?" Gorilla say, "Ha ha ha! I'm here. I will kill in the jungle all of the animals." Birds say, "Do not kill us," and went away. The tiger came and just fight with the gorilla, and gorilla say, "No, I will not come again." And gorilla gone from the jungle. See, this is a very interesting story. This is just a one part of the story. It means you can create the another part of the story. If you know that this kind of animation you can do, then definitely you can do more. And this story is based on text based coding, as you can see the code part, and I will tell you now how we are going to proceed. Basically, most of the student has the question that, "Ma'am, where you're taking the character, the gorilla, the lion, and the bird is actually flying, the lion is also fighting, so where do we get this?" So I send you in the chat box, there is a link. You can definitely go with the link. When you click on the link, you will find all the sequence, like all the pictures related to your character. So you can go and pick the character, whatever you wish to pick. Now I'm going to proceed with the project part. So let me share my new project file. I hope all are here for the session, and I'm sharing a file with you all. First, let me tell you how when you click on the link, you will find here a lot of character, lot of animated character. When you find animation, when you find, suppose I will write animal sequence. You will find lots of animals and their sequence. See, the parrot is flying, the gorilla is walking, the tiger is here, fish is here, frog is here, monkey is here, rabbit is here, every character is here. I will tell you how to download. You can, suppose I want this dog, this walking dog, I can go here. I can click on download section. Okay. So when you click on the downloads, then you will find free download. You will click on free download. You will get the zip file. So you need to unzip the file. Then after Done with the downloading, you need to remove the backdrop from the picture because I want something that's not related, that's not having a backdrop. So for removing the backdrop, you will come to the new tab. You will simply type remove backdrop and you can click over here. You will find this first link, remove backdrop from image for free, http www.remove.bg. Okay, so you can just go with this link. You will upload your picture, whatever the picture you are taking. Suppose I have the gorilla picture, I will take gorilla, I will take lion. So I'm taking lion picture, and once it is uploading, it's done. So this picture is now I have is without the backdrop, and I will download the template. So when I got the template, I got this template where there are the pictures that won't have the backdrops. Okay, so this is what we did, and from where we get the resource. We are getting the resource from here only. Okay, and now I am just stop sharing my screen, and I will open a new project for you all. So the first thing, you will go to the Chrome, and here you will write pictoblocks.ai. The animals you can pick according to your choice. Though I took the picture of gorilla, lion, and bird, you can take whatever the picture you wish to take. So the picture blocks is loading here. You will come to the Python coding because today we are going to work upon, like, work with the Python coding part. I don't want this to be. So I want all my characters. I will go here. I will do upload sprites. I have my folder, and in the folder I have all pictures. So I got my sprites, but in this way, I know that this looks so, you know, jumbled, but it's all right. I will tell you how you can separate your sprites in form of animation. Now, I will go to the backdrop, and I will find the backdrop as jungle. So I'm just taking the backdrop as jungle. One thing is I will go to bird and will go to the costume for the bird. Now, listen here carefully. How to pick the costume. First thing, you will simply move your cursor around one bird. You will do copy. You will come here, click on the paint section for making the new page. Then you will do paste. You will hold this plus sign and moving it here. That's it. This is my first costume. For while I will hide these both. This is the eye. You can show, you can hide. So I'm hiding it. So there is my one bird costume. Now, the same way I will be making for the bird. So I'll come over here. I will take this one. I will do copy. I will come over here. I will do paste. I will hold the plus sign and move it to the black mark. This is important because otherwise it looks like that your characters are not stable. We need to make our character stable. So that's important. Now this is done, and the next part is you will pick this one, do copy, come over here, do paste. Now I will hold this. I can see that there is some other parts remaining. So I will do convert to bitmap first. I will select the eraser and I will erase this part. That's it. Now the last costume I will take for the board is this one. So I will select the arrow. I will drag the arrow, copy this, come here and paste it. I will hold the plus sign and move it here. That's it. Now I will delete this template. So this is my bird template. As you can see that my bird looks like that it is flying. The size of the bird I will set as 150. So I will make the size as 150. That's it. Now let's come to the gorilla. I want only one character for the gorilla. So I will just pick only this. No, this is wrong. So I will pick it like this way. And I will do copy, come to the next page. I will do paste and I'm moving this gorilla here. Now I will do convert to bitmap. I need to erase these two, 1 and 2. That's it. Now I will do one more thing. I will click the arrow, just copy this gorilla, and I want to make another, but it should be smaller in size. So this should be small, and this should be towards the sign, and it should be towards like this, because when my line fight with the gorilla should tilt like this way. So I'm tilting with this way in the like next costume, like this way only, and I'm coming over here and I will do paste it again, and it should be smaller in size. So this should come here. That's it. Now I will delete this. So my gorilla costume is done. Now I will come to the line one. So for the line one, first I will make the walking character for the line. So I will come over here. I will take this character. I will do copy. I come here. I do paste and I will show my line. So it should be here and I should tilt it so that it should look like that. It should walk little bit. Okay, I think yeah, and then let me check if it is on the mark. Yes. Then I will take another one. I will come over here and I will pick this one. I think it's not coming properly. Yes, I will do copy and paste this character. So it will come like this way and it should be like I should tilt it because that's it. The size of the line I'm giving as 200. That's it. And the position I want the line should be here. So it's fine. For this character, I will give it as walk 1. And for this character, I will giving it as walk 2. Okay, now I will make the character for fighting with the uh, gorilla. So I come over here. It should be this one. I will do copy and paste. Then again, you can pick any character of your choice, okay? And if you want the template, then I will attach the template in the description after the session. So this, and even you can find this line template. Okay, wait, I'll give you the source. Just wait, huh? I will tell you from where you can find templates. Just wait. Let me stop share. I will give you the links for the template. I'm sharing the screen. So even if you don't find, you can Look here, okay. Gorilla sequence. I'm looking for. Even this is also the gorilla sequence. See this one. So you can download this one as well. But I'm trying to find the mine one. You can take this gorilla. You can take this. See how many there are. Okay, you can pick a gorilla sequence from here. I'm just sending it to the chat box. Okay, and line sequence. So for line, you can pick this sequence. Okay, so any sequence you can pick for the line. I'm just sending you this link as well. And if you want board sequence, you can simply write board sequence. And see here, parrot you can take, okay, any sequence you can take. So I'm sending you in the chat box. Okay. I hope you have the resource now. You can convert them. You can stop or pause the video and you can watch it. Okay. Okay. Let's come here. So this is done. Now I will make the another one also for the last move, this jump, because this is my favorite jump part for the line. So I will come over here and I will do paste here. So this is done. Okay, now the costume part is done and let's start with the code part. First of all, you have different pages, right? And you need to code to the different sprites. For that, you need to make the sprites, right? So I will tell you how you can even, in Python, you can make the sprite by yourself. You can simply can call the sprite basically. So I will tell you how you can call that. First thing is you have bird, right? So in the bird, you have this thing. You can simply do copy. I will call all the sprites on bird page. Okay, so I will go to gorilla. I will do copy this. I will come to bird page. I come to next line and I do this. Now this time this is for gorilla. So I'm calling it as gore. The bird, I'm calling it as BIRD. Okay, chalo. I'm calling it as bird. And this is line. So actually, I'm making the variables here. Okay. So for line, I can call this line sprite as li. That's it. Okay, so it means I have all of my sprites and like this is my board page. I have all the sprite. I call my board as like sprite board as board, sprite gorilla as gore, and sprite line as li. Okay, you can call anything. If you know about variable, if you don't know about variable, you can watch our previous live sessions where I discuss about variable. Basically it's a container that can hold something. So I made a container board that hold board character, gore that hold gorilla character, a line that holds the line character. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I am simply going to hide the line first because the board should come and will say something. Okay, so that's why I will hide my board character. So what I'm going to do is my board, sorry, my line character. So that will be li dot hide. This command basically hide my line. Then I want a bird should be at the position and it will fly and it will say, hey, something happens. So basically I need to rotate my bird side because it should come to the line. That's why. So I will do flip horizontal for my board character. I will come to the Python code now. Now, this is done, and I will give my bird to the position. So suppose it's here, and it will come here. Okay. So I will write bird dot go to xy. Oh, sorry. Bird dot go to xy, and the x for the bird is 200 and y for the bird is minus 39. How to check? You can check from here the x and the y, and I'm on the bird page, so that's why it is happening. Now, what I want my bird to fly. So I will apply a repeat block, in the picto blocks. So I'm applying a for loop in the Python for repeating something number of times. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm writing for I in range. How many times I'm going to repeat? Maybe 6 times, because I need to uh, identify that how many times my bird will come. Okay, so my bird dot move, and it should move with 20 steps, and it will move. It will also change the costume. So I will write bird dot next costume, because there are all moving costumes for the bird. So I will do bird for next costume. Also, I want to import the time library because I need to add the time. So for that, we need to import the library from the Python. So I'm using import time, because I want to apply the time. So I will give time dot sleep, and this should be for 0.3 seconds. Let's see what will happen if I run all the command. Actually, when we do code with Python in PictoBlocks, it will take some time to run. Oh, by the way, it's going backside, so I should do minus 20. Okay, let me run that, because I flipped the direction. That's why. See, the bird flies, but it flies for the very short time. So I will give it as a fly for 15 times, and after flying, the bird will say something. So I will write bird dot say, and she will say that um help, help, gorilla is in the jungle, he will kill all of us. And for 5 seconds, she will say this. Okay, so when you write something, then for five seconds she will say, and then I want my line should be here. So I will write li dot show, because I want to show the line, and the line should be to go to x and y positions. So line dot go to xy, and where I should show my line. So I should go to line, I should click on show, and the XY is fine for the line. You need to go to line page for watching the X and Y. So X for the line is minus 276 and Y is minus 115, minus 276 and minus 116, minus 276 minus 115. This is for the line, and the line switch costume, the particular costume I should give for my line. So I should go to line and I should check the costume. First of all, I don't want this. Walk 1. So I want the costume that for the line will be walk 1. it should start from. I will go to Python and I will write simply here walk 1. And now the line will come actually. So I will apply for loop again for I in range. How many times? It can walk for 5 times maybe. And line dot move 20 steps. Then line dot switch costume, and the costume he will do is walk 2. Make sure you should write down the correct name of the costume. Then he should wait time dot sleep, like he should wait for walking. This you did already in the picto blocks. The same thing we are doing with the code part. So 0.2 seconds he will wait for each walk, or 0.3 second he will wait for each walk. And then again line dot move, because I need to walk between 2 costumes only, that's why I'm taking this. And then line dot switch costume, that should be walk 1. Okay, it's inside the double quotation symbol only. Now let me run and see what will happen. And let me also check what's happening on our live. Oh, there is some error. I will figure out and let you know what is the error. Okay, I'll stop share first and I will share again. So the error is here. Line number 16 is having the error. Okay. I put gap, I put space for the for loop. Range 5, indentation error. See, in Python, indentation is very important. If you're not indented well, then it will show you the error. Indentation means a space, a proper space you need to require. So when I start my for loop, I should not have any space there. So my bird is flying, okay, and it says, help, help, gorilla is in the jungle. He will kill all of us. The tiger came here. Okay, the line came here, but line is not coming because line number 17 is also having error. I need to give them proper indentation. Okay, now it's fine, I guess. Let me check again. You can also please check while writing, because it is in the picto blocks, but it's not like a block based code, because your blocks always perfect. But here you may face some errors because it's a text-based coding. And if you are doing like if you're a beginner, then maybe of course it's you're facing some errors. So let me check again. but these errors because it's a text-based coding and you're doing. Yeah, okay. Okay, I got it. Sorry, I lost my network. So I'm going to share my screen again with all of you. And where were we? Yeah, we were here and we were facing one error. That's why. And I think I need to upload my project again because see, this is again showing me the error, the picto blocks. So just wait. I will reload the page and I will upload my project again. Yeah, it's uploading. Just wait. Okay, so we'll come to the Python coding and I'm going to upload my file, load from computer. I'll go to the downloads and I will take my project back. Okay, so I got my story here and let me run again as we were working on the line came in the story. So see the bird is coming, okay, and it says help, help, gorilla is there, he will kill all of us. And the lion came and says, okay. So now the line came for only the bird is coming for 12 times and line will come for 3 times. That's enough. Okay, now we'll come here and the line will say something. So I will write line dot say and line will say, where is gorilla? Okay, then what happened? Gorilla will come and say, ha, 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 I'm here. So I will call gore dot hide. Initially, I want to hide that and then later I will show gore dot show and the gorilla is here and I'm going to show him and he will be here. Okay, so he will say, ha ha ha, I'm here. So I'm just coming down. Go will show and it should show to the position. So I will write go to XY and let me check the position. It's 152 minus 78. So 152 minus 78, 152 minus 78, and it will say something. So gore dot say, ha, 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 I'm here. Okay. Then line dot say, oh, sorry, it should say for some seconds. So it should say for 3 seconds, suppose. Line dot say, go away from the jungle for 3 seconds. Then gorilla will say, go dot say, no, I will not. And it will say for 3 seconds. and then the line will come and just go onto the gorilla. Okay, that's what I want. So here I will write li dot uh, switch costume, and here I'm going to write the name of the costume. So first I'll do copy. Oh no, I first write the name because the costume names are same. That's why it's walk 1, walk 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So costume 1, costume 2, costume 3, costume 4. It's like that. So I'm going to write the same. Costume 1. Then I'm going to copy this code, paste this, paste this, paste this, paste this. Okay. So costume 1, then it should move. No, first costume 1, then it should wait. So I will write time dot sleep. That should be 0.6 seconds. Then this should be costume 2. And with costume 2, li dot go to xy. And I will move this here. And let me check line position -13 -37. Okay. I'll come here. So it should be -13 -37. Then it should be costume 3. So it should have some time dot sleep. And it should be 0.5, no, 0. Yeah, 0.5 is fine. So 0.5 seconds I should wait, and then costume 3, it should come over here. And I want to change now the position again. So it should be li dot go to xy, and the x is 115, y is 6. So I will write 115 and 6. And then it should be costume 4. Oh, Control Z. So it should be costume 4. And then li dot go to xy, and it should come back here. Let me check the costumes. The number of costumes we have is costume 4, till costume 4. Okay, that's fine. Then it should be walk 1. Okay, so I will come here and I will come to the coding part. It should be walk 1. Go to xy. Acha, what is x and y? I should 118 minus 125. 118 minus 125. Basically, I want my character to jump now. That's why. And it should be walk 1. Later, it should be walk 1. After that, what happens is my gorilla will come here. So gorilla I'm calling as gore dot go to xy, and here it will be 16 and minus 11. 16 and minus 11. Then gore dot switch costume, and he will switch costume to, let me check what is the costume. It's costume 2 and costume 3. Okay, so it should be costume 2. I'll come down. It should be costume 2. Inside the double quotation symbol, you will write. And then it will come here, and time dot sleep will be 0.5 seconds. And then it will come gore dot switch costume. That will be costume 3. And initially, I want the costume for gore also here. Gore dot switch costume to costume 1. Costume 1. That's it, I guess. And the gore will say later, gore dot say, I am going. Ta-ding. He's afraid of flying, that's why. And gore dot hide. I'm going to hide my gorilla. Ta-ding. Let's see the story now. Let me full screen that and let me run that. It may take some time to run, but it will run. Don't worry about that. Let me check till what's happening in the chat. Yay, the bird is flying, flying, and bird say, help, help, gorilla is in the jungle. He will kill all of us. Lion came, where is gorilla? Gorilla say, ha, 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 I'm here. Go away from the jungle. Gorilla said, no, I will not. Lion jumped to the gorilla and gorilla gone. But there is something that we need to understand is I have to put wait block. Ta-ding! For 5 seconds at least, he should say something. And go away, ठीक है. Okay, so I should add some time dot sleep between the dialogues because it was so fast. Time dot sleep 1 second. Okay, ha ha ha, I'm here. Go away from the jungle. So again, time dot sleep for 1 second. And we'll say no. Okay, again, time dot sleep for 1 second. That's it. I'm going to run the story again. So here we go. See how easy it is to, in the Python to make. If you know the picture blocks concept so well, you are now having all the resources that you can use. See, the bird is coming and say, help, help, gorilla is in the jungle. He will kill all of us. Then the line will come and say, where is gorilla? Gorilla say, ha, 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 I'm here. Then I say, go away from the jungle. No, I will not. And then lion jump on the gorilla. To-do! Gorilla go, I'm going. And tan-ta-da, the story ends up here. So everyone, how easy it is. I'll just give you, you know, I'm scrolling it from the top so that you can watch the code easily. Some points that you need to remember here. The first thing is indentation. What indentation is? Indentation is the space that you are using after any loop, any condition. Okay. Indentation basically tell us that something inside something. Suppose I'm using for loop here and these commands are following the same indentation. It means it's telling us that, yeah, we have something inside the for loop. Next, I have the for loop and indentation. I will not start by giving space, and then for loop, I will start without space a for loop. This is these are variables, bird, gore, li. We can give any name to the variables. Why we make variables? Because instead of writing again and again this much for a bird to call, we can simply write bird. Even you can write the bird name as bee. See how simple it is. So variable makes our work easier. The more you can practice, the more you will learn, and we want you with us. Definitely, we want your projects. We want to see whatever you are making because, see, your work and because of our students, we are, doing more things, and we are exploring more because some of the students giving us the idea that okay ma'am, we can do this, we can try this, we can try that. So that's how we proceed. And we have all type of courses. Definitely you can go to our website, you can check our all the courses, and the link is given in the description. You can find the link there. And if you're making the project from the live session, I'm very eager to see all of the projects, whatever you're making. So please make your projects and send us on our Instagram page, or you can connect with us if you have any query, if you have any new kind of course that you wish to opt, because we can make the course for you if you want. Okay, so everyone, let's meet you in the next live session. Till then, bye bye.